Welcome to the presentation of the GA6000 and SIMPLELAB. In this video we show you what the benefits of the GA6000 are and what advantages you will gain when you combine the system with SIMPLELAB. What is the GA6000? The GA6000 is a testing device for determining the formaldehyde emission from wood-based materials according to DIN EN ISO 12460-3. Formaldehyde is an essential component of glue utilized in many wood-based materials. Over time, the glue gets decomposed and formaldehyde will slowly be released into the ambient air. Since free formaldehyde poses a health risk, the permissible formaldehyde emission of wood-based materials is strictly regulated worldwide. The limit values have been and continue to be tightened. The trend is clearly moving towards lower emitting products. With the help of the GA6000, wood-based material manufacturers can ensure that their products meet the legal requirements within the scope of quality control. The gas analysis method provides a reliable correlation to the reference test chambers, particularly for low-emitting products. How does the GA6000 work exactly? The GA6000 has two heated test chambers. One test specimen of the same sample will be placed in each chamber. Both chambers are purged by purified air for removing the formaldehyde released by the test specimen. During the 4-hour test period, the formaldehyde-loaded air is fed into the gas wash bottles, thus dissolving the formaldehyde in water. Later, the formaldehyde content in the aqueous solution can be precisely determined photometrically. Finally, the measured values of the individual test hours must be converted into an overall gas emission value, in accordance with the specifications of the ISO 12460-3 standard. The gas analysis method thus allows reliable emission determination for coated and uncoated wood-based materials. It is approved by EPA and CARB. In contrast to the perforator method, it does not require organic solvents and provides a reliable correlation to common reference test chambers, even for low-emitting products. Emission measurement becomes even easier when the GA6000 is combined with SIMPLELAB. What is SIMPLELAB? SIMPLELAB is a state-of-the-art gas analyzer that measures continuously the formaldehyde concentration in the GA6000 sample gas stream and directly calculates the gas emission values. This does not only eliminate the need for time-consuming wet chemical analysis, but also the measurement results are no longer subject to influence of the individual operator. All the user has to do is to prepare the test samples, insert them into the GA6000 and start the measurement via the touch screen. The process of the measurement can be followed via the GA screen. This sequence shows a measurement of a 19 mm chipboard as an example. The x-axis shows the test time. The y-axis shows the formaldehyde concentration in the sample gas stream in ppm. Next to the graph, the gas emission values of the individual test hours and the total gas emission value are displayed. After starting the measurement, the formaldehyde concentration initially increases as the sample is heated in the chamber. In the second to third hour, it typically reaches a maximum and then decreases. SIMPLELAB simultaneously calculates the gas emission values of the individual hours and the total gas emission value from the measurement data obtained. After the 4-hour test time has elapsed, the test result is displayed directly. This makes operation very simple and can also be done by non-laboratory personnel. SIMPLELAB has already proven its reliability in comprehensive test series. The following graph shows a comparison of the results of classic wet chemical analysis with those of SIMPLELAB. Almost 70 different samples of all common wood-based materials from 7 different production sites were examined. Here, SIMPLELAB shows an excellent correlation across the entire range of materials and emission levels. The feedback of the first SIMPLELAB customers is also very positive regarding this aspect. In addition to the methodological safety gained, however, the time and material savings are the most significant advantages of SIMPLELAB. Here is where the user can save money. The following calculation can serve as an example. Let us assume that 4 emission tests are carried out daily. By replacing the wet chemical analyzers, a workload of approximately 1.5 hours can be saved for each test. That is 6 hours per day. With 330 test days per year, this results in a saving of 1,980 working hours. The material saving also has a positive effect on the laboratory costs. With the assumption of 4 tests daily, this is 32 reagent kits. Extrapolated to 330 test days, the use of SIMPLELAB saves about 10,560 formaldehyde test kits per year. At an average price of €2 per test kit, this results in a cost reduction of approximately €21,000. If one also converts the time saved into financial equivalent, it can be seen that SIMPLELAB pays for itself in less than a year. With this video we have given you an insight into the working method and the benefit that GA6000 can offer you in combination with SIMPLELAB, and we look forward to your inquiry. If you have any questions or requests, please do not hesitate to contact us. We look forward to your email or your phone call.